Hi guys, welcome back to this amazing channel. My name is Robi Masaga, and today I want to talk about this certain black guy who was saying that black women, dark-skinned women, let me quote his words, dark-skinned women look funny and he wouldn't wouldn't want to marry dark-skinned women.
You know, dark-skinned women, I don't really like dark-skinned women. Like, they look funny beside me.
How would you feel if anyone said the same to your mother? Because the moment you degrade, the moment you bring down black women, your mother is included in that equation because your mother is also black. And you are talking bad about black women, forgetting that your mother, your sisters, your auntie, all your family members are black. How would you feel if you had the same being said about your family? So now you're being racist towards your own people, towards your own race. People think that by marrying light-skinned women is everything. It's not. Dark-skinned women are beautiful. Yeah, we are all beautiful in our own way. Why would you want to bring down your race? And the moment you bring down your race, how do you expect light-skinned people to think about your own race? Yeah, you won't. For you, you will not feel okay or you will not feel good when they talk bad about your own people, but you want to talk ill about your own women. Well, if you don't marry them, who do you want to marry those women? Because the moment you come out here, what are you trying to communicate to other black men? What are you trying to tell them? They shouldn't marry their own women. So if they don't marry those women, who should marry them? If you feel like you don't like black people, or rather you don't like black women, then I feel it's something you should keep it to yourself, because this is your race. The moment you talk ill about them, you're giving other people a chance, or you're giving them that leeway to talk bad about your own people. These are the kind of men that allow other races to disrespect their own women. Because if you can't protect us, who do you want to protect? Who do you want to come and protect us? Yeah, and this kind of men, they end up with light-skinned women, not because they're handsome, not because those light-skinned women want them, but because these women just want to use them for money. They want to marry them because they have something they can provide. And that is why most of our black men who have made it in life, they never marry black women, because they have this kind of mentality. Yeah, their level of thinking is very low. Yeah, because they feel like black is not beautiful. So the moment you get money, you want to marry a white woman because you want to status. You want to show people that you've reached that level that no one can beat you. And most of them end up with wrong women because they just want to date them because of their looks, not because of what they provide, or rather what they bring in that relationship, just because of their looks. They want to brag around. They want to show the world how they got married to beautiful women. Yeah, you think that black is not beautiful. Black men should start thinking maturely. Why? Because this kind of thinking has really destroyed a lot of them. Why? Because they end up marrying wrong women. Yeah, they end up with wrong people in their life. And at the end of the day, they end up being destroyed, either emotionally, financially, everything. And eventually they fall into depression. Yeah. How many men have we seen, black men who went to these people's land? They became rich. Yeah, they got everything in life they wanted, but ended up being poor. They ended up coming back to Africa with nothing. Why? Because of this kind of mentality. Because they feel like black women are not beautiful. They want to work with women that other men will envy them when they see them with those kind of women. They feel like we are not on that level just because we are black. Color is nothing. Tell me, and I want you people to be very sincere. Can a white woman date a black man who's poor? Just tell me. I want you people to be sincere, because most of white women who I've seen dating our black men, most of those black men have money. They have something to provide for these white women. But how many black women have we seen dating men who have totally nothing? How many black women have we seen dating even white men who have nothing? And our black men are failing us because this is the kind of mentality they have. This is what they think of their own women. How many black footballers have we seen dating white women and those women ended up divorcing them? Yeah, they ended up taking everything from them. Those are the kind of men that you people want. You want to bring us down, women who can date you with nothing. You want to bring us down, but elevate women who will always bring you down if at all you have nothing, or if at all you stop providing for them, or if they get fed up with you. Those are the kind of women you want to come out here and defend. Those are the kind of women that you want to praise and lift high, so high than your own women. Yeah, your mother is black. The woman who gave birth to you is black, and you want to bring down women like her. Nowadays, I see a lot of black women getting into relationships with white men, and sometimes I wonder why our women are running to those men and not their own men. And this is the reason. This is what they get from their own men. Yeah, because I can't sit around. If today that man approached me and if he wanted to date me, I would say no, because I've already seen, I've already heard, or rather I've already read his mind, how he thinks or what he thinks about his own women. Yeah, and that is why we are losing our women to these people. Yeah, instead of you defending and supporting your own women, you're the one shouting hard out there. You say how funny they look. How funny do we look? Just how funny. If I look funny, clearly you look funny as well, because you're same color as I am. Yeah. You say I look funny. How do you look? How does your sister look? How does your mother look? And do you have what it takes to get that white woman? Do you have it? Because that white woman will not marry you if you don't have anything. They will marry you if you can provide, if you have something that they want from you. Yeah, it's a give and take. They won't just marry you just because you're handsome, because you're tall, dark, and handsome. No, they will marry because they want something from you. And once they achieve their mission, trust you me, they will run away and they will leave you with totally nothing. Even your kids, the kids that you got with them, they will go with them. Because the moment you go with them to their courts fighting for custody, they will win over you, because there's no way those courts are going to give you custody of those kids and not those women. They will win. You will lose everything. So it's time. It's high time, black men. You need to start thinking right. You're here talking against your own people. It's a shame, and you should be ashamed of yourself. Guys, let me know. What do you think about this? Let me know on the comment section. Yeah, and until next time.